Hello everyone, introducing myself as Dr. Vikram Deep Monga, working as a professor and head in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga. On behalf of ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, I welcome you all in the demonstration of this e-lab. Today's demonstration is for the student of M.Pharm Pharmaceutical Chemistry. The aim of today's practical is to carry out the synthesis of 1,2-diaryl propionone under microwave irradiation. For the technical demonstration of this microwave assisted synthesis, Dr. Bhupinder Kumar will assist me in this practical. Microwave assisted synthesis getting lot of popularity in academia as well as industry. The reason behind the success and boom of microwave assisted synthesis is the high reaction yield, low reaction time, decreased formation of the unwanted side products, along with the procedure is environmentally benign. All these factors make microwave assisted synthesis as a convenient and safer mode in industry as well as in the lab. As compared to conventional method of synthesis, where the heating is directly given to the medium or to the reaction vessel, the microwave assisted synthesis works on the basis of aligning dipoles of the material in an external field under the influence of excitation produced by microwave electromagnetic radiations. Well, excitation with microwave radiation results in the molecule aligning their dipole under the influence of applied external field. As a result, strong agitation is produced, provided by the reorientation of the molecules in phase with the electric field excitation, which leads to internal heating. Hence, in an overall mode, microwave assisted synthesis involve dipolar polarization and conduction mechanism. 1,3-diaryl propionone will be synthesized by the condensation between acetophenone and benzaldehyde by using 20% NaOH as the base. This particular reaction is an example of classical Claise-Schmidt condensation, where an ketone will be condensed with an aromatic aldehyde to get alpha-beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. If we talk about the conventional method of its synthesis, it generally takes 12 to 24 hours for the reaction to complete. But under the influence of microwave irradiation, this reaction will be completed within 10 to 20 minutes, and that too in a very clean manner. The demonstration of 1,3-diaryl propionone under microwave irradiation will be performed by using SEM microwave synthesizer model. This is the SEM Discover model of microwave synthesizer, which we are going to use for the demonstration of this practical. As you can see, this is the whole assembly or the instrument look like. This is the reaction vessel in which we are going to weigh the reactants, and once we will weigh the reactants, we will transfer this into this reaction vessels, and after transferring the content into this reaction vessel, we will put this reaction vessel inside this instrument in this particular lid. After transferring the reaction vessel into the microwave synthesizer, which is this main body, this pressure control device system will be taken and this assembly will be closed. Now we are going to give the demonstration how the microwave synthesis will be performed by using this software.
The parameters required for the synthesis of our compound can be set either manually or using computer operated software. In manual system, we have options at this microwave synthesizer like microwave power, temperature, time, pressure, and using these keys we can set these parameters. So now let's start the synthesis of chalcone using this microwave synthesizer. For this we have taken 1 ml of acetophenone in this reaction vial, for which 0.9 ml of benzaldehyde is required, and 3 to 4 drops of 20% aqueous sodium hydroxide is added in this. The mixture is dissolved in 0.5 ml of ethanol. Now place this reaction vial in this assembly and place the pressure control device on it. This will help in creating vacuum and controlling pressure for our reaction. So let's start our experiment. We are going to use computer operated software to set the required parameters. For this, Synergy is the software which will control this microwave synthesizer. So let's start our software. On start of software, this screen will appear in front of you. Here we have some parameters like time required for our reaction, temperature, pressure and power. Here you will see the graphs for temperature, pressure and power throughout the proceeding of reaction. So let's create our method for this reaction. So click on new. Always set your method in dynamic mode. So let's name this method Chalcone. Here we can set parameters. The temperature required for our reaction is 95 degrees Celsius. Hold time for our reaction is 5 minutes. The pressure can be set to maximum because it will be adjusted according to our set temperature and power automatically. The power required for our reaction is 118 watt. For this, we are going to use option stirring, which is automatically set to high as default setting. So let's save this method. So here you can see the method is saved as name Chalcone. So after saving this method, click on key play to start our reaction. When you click play, you will hear a sound, beep sound, which will tell you of the start of reaction. So our reaction is start. Here you can see the graph for temperature, pressure, power. So first there is ramping time, which shows that the time taken for temperature to reach our set point. So now here you can see the graphs for temperature, pressure and power. Here you can see the temperature rise to our set parameter within just 30 seconds. Here the power graph shows you that the power initially required for setting our temperature, and then now constant power is required to maintain same our set temperature. So this shows that our reaction is proceeding within the set parameters. So our time set for this reaction is over. Now microwave is automatically cooling the reaction, and it will only release our reaction vial when the temperature is below 50 degrees Celsius. As the temperature reaches to 50 degrees Celsius, the pressure control device will release the pressure. So now it is safe to remove the reaction vial from microwave assembly. So now we will proceed to the workup of our reaction. If you want to confirm the progression of reaction, you can check either TLC, but as we have standardized our procedure, we will proceed to workup of this reaction.
For the workup of this reaction, this crude reaction mixture was poured into ice cold water. As you can see, once you can pour the content, you shake it with a glass rod and allow the reaction mixture to stand for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the complete precipitation of the reaction. Now once the reaction will complete and you allow it to stand for proper period of time, you will get precipitate like this after drying and recrystallization of the crude product. You can check the TLC as per your convenience to check the purity of your final compound. So this is the whole procedure for the microwave assisted synthesis of 1,3-diaryl propanone from astrophenone. I am very hopeful that you will find it useful. Please like and subscribe ISFTP YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.
Thank you.